Hi, this is Jose. I'm a respiratory therapist at the CPAPshop.com, and today we're going to be discussing ramp. There are two components to ramp, the ramp starting pressure and the ramp time. We're going to use this Philips Respironics System 1 CPAP machine. I've programmed it to CPAP of 15 with a ramp time of 20 minutes and a starting pressure of 4. So when I initiate the therapy, the LCD displays a 15, that is my pressure. And if this feels like it's just too overwhelming, it's too strong, I'm going to hit the ramp button. Now there's going to be a 4. So this means that it's going to take 20 minutes to gradually build up from 4 up to 15. Now let's pretend that 4 feels too low. It's going to feel like I'm suffocating, like I can't get enough air. I'm going to then increase my ramp starting pressure. Let's also pretend that it's just taking too long to go from my starting pressure to my prescribed setting. That means I have to lower my ramp time. Now every machine is different, how to access these features. So for this machine, I have to first stop the therapy by pushing the on and off button. I'm going to search for the setup box. It's on the lower right screen. Push the same button to access, turn the knob to look for the features. I'm going to search for ramp start and ramp time. I push the button to access the feature, turn the knob to adjust, and hit the button once again to set it. So I'm going to program it to ramp start pressure of 6 and lower the ramp time to 5 minutes. That means it'll build up more quickly. Now don't make any adjustments unless you check with your doctor first. For recommendations, I always suggest you start with ramp time of 20 minutes and the starting pressure, maybe make it half of your prescribed setting. I should have made it 7.5, but we're just doing this for an example. So let's initiate therapy once again, and 15 is the prescribed setting. That feels too overwhelming, so I hit my ramp button. This time it'll start at 6. Now I don't feel like I'm suffocating. And the ramp time is only 5 minutes, so notice how more quickly the pressure is building. It's already at 6.4. Now let's go over a couple of scenarios. If you find yourself pushing the ramp button too frequently, it probably means you need to increase the ramp time. If when you push the ramp button, you feel like the pressure is not getting to you quickly enough, that means you lowered the ramp time. When you push the ramp button, if the pressure still feels overwhelming, then lower the starting pressure. If the pressure feels like there's not enough air going around, then you increase the ramp starting pressure. It's a good idea to tweak these around when you're going from a full face mask to nasal mask or pillows, or vice versa, from pillows or a nasal mask to a full face. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at contact@thecpapshop.com. Thank you.